The Deluxe Double Queen and King rooms at Main Street Station measure up at 400 square feet and have been recently remodeled back in 2023. The room was clean and the beds were good and comfy, no anomalies to report there. And the decor of the recent remodel gave the room such a fresh, clean pop. The room came with a large, comfortable chair that I was not afraid to sit in. At the bedside, there was an old school clock radio, landline, and charging ports. The TV was decent enough. I believe it was a 40-incher. Below that was the dresser drawers, a safe, and a mini fridge for your own personal use. There is also a workstation for taking care of business. It also comes with an old school air unit, which is fairly common in downtown Las Vegas. This room was on the 14th floor with a southern exposure that had a remarkable view. The windows have these built-in blinds that keep the room cool from the scorching summer heat. But the view was still enjoyable. I could see downtown Las Vegas with the strip in the background. I didn't think I'd get a really great view of anything at Main Street Station, but there it is. And I just love how the decor of the room popped even more at nighttime with the lights of downtown Las Vegas in the background. This is a great room for the price point, but there are some small downsides. There is a small open closet space. Across from the closet, there is an open vanity area. And then behind the bathroom door is where you'll find the throne and the shower area. A very small toilet and shower area with the toiletries attached to the wall. Nothing special to report here, but it got the job done. Thanks for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more fabulous Las Vegas content. Hit that center icon to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.